Uncapped idle oil wells could be leaking millions of kilograms of methane each year into the atmosphere and surface water, according to a study by the University of Cincinnati. Amy Townsend Small, an associate professor of geology and geography in Yocis College of Arts and Sciences, studied 37 wells on private property in the Permian Basin of Texas, the largest oil production region on Earth. She found that 7 had methane emissions of as much as 132 grams per hour. The average rate was 6.2 grams per hour. The study, published in the journal Environmental Research Letters, is the first of its kind on methane emissions from inactive oil wells in Texas. In the 2016 study by Townsend Small, found a similar issue in inactive wells she tested in Colorado, Wyoming, Ohio, and Utah. Spread across the estimated 3.1 million abandoned wells, the leaking methane is equivalent to burning more than 16 million barrels of oil. 5 of the inactive wells Townsend Small studied were leaking a brine solution onto the ground, in some cases creating large ponds. Most of the wells had been inactive for 3 to 5 years, possibly because of fluctuations in market demand. Inactive wells would be a substantial source of methane emissions if they are not subject to leak detection and repair regulations, the UC study concluded. Methane is a powerful greenhouse gas that scientists have linked to climate change. If the rate of methane leaks UC observed were consistent across all 102,000 adult wells in Texas, the 5.5 million kilograms of methane released would be equivalent to burning 150 million pounds of coal each year. US President Joe Biden's administration has pledged $16 billion in its infrastructure plan to cap abandoned oil and gas wells and mitigate abandoned mines. In the meantime, regular inspections of inactive wells using infrared cameras to identify leaks could address the problem, the UC study suggested.